Hi, my name is Christine. I'm a registered nurse and ostomy specialist. I work for HPFY, and I'd like to talk with you about Colo-Majic flushable liners for ostomy pouches. These flushable liners are meant to be used with a two-piece system. They can't be used with a one-piece, and it cannot be used with the flex products where the pouch sticks. It does need to be a click-type pouch. So this is great because it's biodegradable, flushable right in the toilet, and so as it fills, there's no mess. And what you would basically do is put this pouch or this liner right into your pouch and just smooth it out. And you want the outer edge of it to be on the outside of your flange. I know that's a little hard for you to see. And then you'll attach your pouch. And it does not hinder your pouch as far as the seal. All right, and then it's on. Now once it fills, what you're going to do is open your pouch, peel that off, and you're gonna take that liner out. You can flush that right in the toilet and then insert a new one. So this is great for travel. It's safe for septic systems, and these are available on HPFY.